Welcome back to our channel, Health Enthusiasts. Today, we are delving into the world of nutrition and fitness to bring you a powerful guide on 10 superfoods and their remarkable benefits for weight loss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and achieve your dream physique, you've come to the right place. We've researched extensively to compile a comprehensive list of 10 extraordinary superfoods that can help you on your weight loss journey. So, grab your notepads and let's dive into the realm of health and wellness. 10 superfoods for weight loss and their benefits. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall well-being, and a balanced diet plays a crucial role in achieving this goal. Including superfoods in your meals can boost your weight loss efforts by providing essential nutrients while promoting a feeling of fullness. Let's explore 10 superfoods that can aid in weight loss and their fantastic benefits. 1. Spinach. Spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green, is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals with minimal calories. It provides a wide range of essential nutrients, including vitamins and C, iron, and fiber. The high fiber content in spinach aids in digestion, prevents overeating, and promotes a feeling of satiety. Furthermore, the vitamins and antioxidants support overall health and well-being, making spinach a valuable addition to any weight loss diet. 2. Chia seeds. Tiny yet packed with goodness. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. When soaked in water, they expand and form a gel-like consistency, creating a feeling of fullness in your stomach. This gel formation slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels and reducing cravings. Incorporating chia seeds into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal can be a delightful way to support your weight loss journey. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is renowned for its fat-burning properties and low-calorie content, making it a staple in many weight loss plans. This citrus fruit contains enzymes that help improve digestion and metabolism. Additionally, it has a high water content, keeping you hydrated and feeling full. Consuming grapefruit before meals has been associated with reduced appetite and increased weight loss results, making it an excellent choice for a refreshing snack or part of your breakfast. 4. Quinoa. As a complete protein source, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans. Its high fiber content contributes to feelings of fullness and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Quinoa is also rich in vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, supporting overall health during weight loss. This versatile grain can be used in salads, bowls, or as a side dish, providing a nutrient-packed alternative to refined grains. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to various health benefits, including weight loss support. The high fiber content in blueberries aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, preventing overeating. These vibrant berries also have a low calorie count, making them an ideal addition to smoothies, yogurt, or as a sweet treat on their own. 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable that serves as an excellent replacement for high-carb foods. It is highly versatile and can be used to create delicious and healthy alternatives to rice, pizza crusts, and mashed potatoes. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, cauliflower supports digestive health and keeps you satisfied for longer periods, making it an excellent addition to any weight loss meal plan. 7. Black beans. Black beans are a superb plant-based protein source, making them an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans. They are also rich in fiber, which promotes fullness and stabilizes blood sugar levels. The combination of protein and fiber in black beans can help regulate appetite and prevent snacking between meals. These beans also provide a healthy dose of essential nutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium, contributing to overall health and vitality. 8. Yogurt. Yogurt is a protein-packed dairy product that can help you stay full and satisfied. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, especially if you're incorporating exercise into your weight loss journey. Additionally, yogurt contains probiotics, which support a healthy gut and aid in digestion. Opt for low-fat or non-fat options to keep the calorie count in check, and enjoy it with fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey for a delightful and nutritious treat. 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a flavorful spice that not only enhances the taste of various dishes but also offers health benefits, including weight loss support. Studies suggest that cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This helps curb cravings and prevents overeating, which can be beneficial for those trying to lose weight. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, yogurt, or add it to your morning coffee or tea for a natural and delicious way to support your weight loss goals. 10. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fatty acids play a role in reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and even promoting weight loss. Omega-3 salt can help regulate appetite and decrease fat storage in the body. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining and building lean muscle mass. Including salmon in your diet a few times a week can be a beneficial choice for those on a weight loss journey. In conclusion, incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet can be an excellent strategy to support your weight loss efforts while ensuring you get essential nutrients for overall health. Remember that a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes are key components of successful and sustainable weight loss. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to personalize your weight loss plan based on your individual needs and health goals. There you have it, folks, a tantalizing array of 10 superfoods that can work wonders for your weight loss goals. Incorporate these nutrient-rich powerhouses into your daily diet and watch the magic happen. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset are the keys to achieving sustainable weight loss. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on health, nutrition, and fitness. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and let's embark together on the path to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, take care and be well.